Hi, I've got a trial copy of Home Designer Pro, no, Home Designer Suite 2023. And I got some fireplaces out of the library browser. And fire, there's fireplaces that are symbols, and there's some that are architectural blocks. This is a symbol. If you look in the edit toolbar, this is the edit toolbar. And there's no explode icon. On the ones that are explodable, you get this icon. And when you click on it, it allows you to then edit and resize or reconfigure various parts of the symbol. Load it again. You now can select this seating block that they made, and it's not unblockable. And then the fireplace here is not unblockable. These two were positioned together by Chief Architect and then made into a single symbol. So that's the main thing you need to understand about how how you mess with this. So this is a symbol. You can't explode it, and you can't edit it, except you can edit the size. Take a look at that. It's got handles on it. I can make it wide, a little wider or taller or whatnot, but I can't really alter it. It begins to, the shape changes as I make those alterations. Like this is, a block. You have to explode it to find out what's editable. Looks like this is a sub symbol. This is a sub symbol. Then they were blocked into a single symbol. Okay, that doesn't explode. So that's what you're looking at. Some of the fireplaces and other symbols are blocks. Most of them are not. Most of them are just symbols. So I hope this helps you, whether it does or not. Make it a great day. Thank you.